guys, it's me, Liah. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you guys for coming to this video. Today I'm going to be talking about body confidence and my journey on it and how, some tips for you guys to achieve body confidence. So I'm just going to be honest with you guys, straightforward. Body confidence has kind of been a nice, tough journey for me. I'm pretty sure for a lot of people it is a tough journey. It's like a long journey for most people. So I'm going to show you guys some tips I've done to make this process more easier and make me fall in love with myself and the journey of life. So number one, my main thing is having positive affirmations to myself in the mirror every single morning. I love telling myself that I'm beautiful and that I'm successful. And the brain is kind of like dumb. It believes anything it hears. So even if you don't believe it at first, over time it'll start to believe it. So my favorite affirmation is the better I track, the better I become. Because confidence is really something that's inside of you, and the inside affects the external. You can't become confident on the outside if you're not really enjoying who you're looking at on the inside. So the inside will always affect the outside. So you gotta enjoy the journey, and these affirmations that are it could be very simple as like I am beautiful or I am successful. Those small things will make the biggest change in your life. Like if you start repeating those 3 times a day for a week, you will start to feel the difference, and that's the biggest thing of having body confidence and confidence in yourself overall. Second is surrounding yourself with people who are in the same energy level, because throughout the pandemic I have realized that I'm not aligned with a lot of people like I used to be, and that's completely fine because we grow out of it, and some people just do not serve us, and there's nothing wrong with that. That's what life is. So it's just surrounding yourself with people who make you feel your best, and people who don't want to be higher than you or lower than you. It's just having a nice balance, and you guys support each other in the balance, especially right now in this day of age. Women are very toxic to each other, so we have to support each other, love each other, and bring each other up instead of putting each other down. If you're part of the itty bitty titty community like me, you have to listen. So my entire life I've been struggling with having a small chest, and I just always thought that it would grow more. I found Pepper the other day, and they have the cutest bras. This is the everyday lace bralette in black, and I also have another pink one, and it is so cute, and even the packaging is so cute. You're going to look great in this. Small but mighty. Those are the affirmations I just told you guys, and it makes me feel so confident all the time. Beauty and brains. So their brand is just empowering women, because as a teenager I always thought that through puberty I would get bigger boobs or a bigger chest, but that just never happened to me, and I'm completely fine with that. But society's always bashing on having big chests. But with Pepper I found comfort in having my small chest, and I feel so comfortable, and I feel so confident wearing them. This one could go with anything. I wear all the time. It's my number one favorite bra at the time. And this one, it is so comfortable to go out, and it also is good for yoga. I love doing my yoga stretches in the morning, my little workouts, and it provides such good support. With other bras and other companies, they don't have any people who really understand having small chests. So usually you have the big cup overflows, and your boobs don't really fill it up. But Pepper makes it feel so confident, so seamless, and they're so minimalist, and I love minimal stuff, and they have the cutest inventory ever. So thanks to Pepper, they're kind of redefining the woman's standard of having a big chest, and they're finding beauty in every single body type and comfort while doing so. So thank you, Pepper, for joining me and collabing with me on this body confidence video, because thanks to you I have honestly felt the most confident I have in ages, and I've gotten a lot of compliments when people see this bra under my shirts, and it's so cute. And this is on to my next tip, which is feeling confident in fashion. So Pepper makes it really easy for me to feel comfortable in fashion when I'm on the go. It's not moving around a lot, and it makes me feel like I'm put together and in a place, other than when it's other bras, your boobs don't really fit in the cups, and it's just so uncomfortable when you realize you feel off. But with Pepper, you will never feel that way. So honestly, it pairs with anything, and I just love fashion so much, so these Pepper bras are really convenient for that. I love baggy pants, and I love little cute tops. I love long sleeves, I love sweaters. So just find what makes you comfortable in your own skin, because when you look confident, you're damn, I look good, and no one can change that about yourself. And last but not least, my last tip is accepting who you are and loving yourself no matter what. So I know it's basically what body confidence is, but you have to really accept yourself in the way that you are right now. Even if you want to change something about yourself, you have to accept yourself the way you are and forgive yourself. Do not compare yourself to other people. Do not compare yourself to the past version of yourself, because this is the current version of yourself right now, and if you don't love it, you're going to be miserable. And you can't be wishing for it to be someone else or something else, and you're just never going to be satisfied if you're always wishing for something else. You have to be completely satisfied. You have to be completely satisfied with who you are right now, and then everything else will fall into place and you'll be literally glowing. Another tip I have, my last tip probably, is going to be my nutrition. I love eating healthy. You guys know I love eating oatmeal and I love eating salads. I love all my beautiful nutritious foods. I love eating my soul food, health for the soul, health for my body. I love like incorporating a bunch of foods into my diet, and that makes me feel like my best, makes me glow, makes my skin clear up, and that is honestly the biggest factor in having body confidence, is finding foods and fitness goals and health goals that like match to you. That is my biggest tip out of all of them, because you can't be living a life where you're miserable trying to be someone you're not, and you're just incorporating all these habits that don't even serve you, don't even bring you happiness. So it's just finding the journey in the nutritious foods, with nutritious food, with movement and fashion and everything that makes you feel good, because at the end of the day, this is the only body you have. So you have to feel it properly, and you have to make your life worthwhile, because we only get one life, so we have to enjoy it. And no matter what anyone says, no matter what the media says, you are perfect. Remember that. You just have to believe that. I know it's going to take some time. It took a lot of time for me, but eventually you will get there, and you have to accept the fact that you're already beautiful right now. All of you, everyone watching. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you guys for watching me with my cute little pepper bra today. It is super cute. Make sure to check them out. For all my small tested women, we have a link for you guys, wearpepper.com/Liah, so you can test them out for yourself, because you literally will not regret it, and you will have never felt something more comfortable and more cute. Look how cute this is. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe down below, give it a like, share with your friends, comment down below your favorite confidence tips and where you are at your confidence journey, because yours are all beautiful. And also share down some affirmations or some other tips that maybe I forgot. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!